This is a karaoke version of Raina singing
Roar.
Roar.
Okay, so hi guys. Now I'm gonna sing Roar by Katy Perry. And if you like it, you should subscribe this video.
Like
Jason the Hedgehog 500 and I hope you guys think I'm a really good singer. Yeah.
You people should hear this.
Let me just get this ready. I love this song. I'm still waiting.
Yeah, it takes a while. Oh, it's starting.
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to write the book and make a mess. So I said quietly, agree politely. I guess that I forgot a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. It held me down, but I got up. Hard brush my dust. You hear my voice, hear that sound. Like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I ain't enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire. Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hit me louder. What if they're lying, cause I am the champion, and you're gonna hit me louder. You're gonna hit me louder. Now I'm floating like a butterfly, singing like a bee at urban stride. I went from zero to my own hero. You held me down, but I got up. Already burning out the dust. Hear that voice, you hear that sound. Like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I am not. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, the fire, dancing through the fire. Cause I am the champion, and you're gonna hear me louder, louder than a lion. And I am the champion, and you're gonna hear me louder. You're gonna hit me, you hit me, love. You're gonna hit me, love.
Maybe I'll watch it. Oh, we're
done. I hope you enjoyed it.
yeah, okay, subscribe to Jason the Hedgehog, and if you like this, like the video, and if you want, comment. Bye! More plushies adventures coming through.
Please don't do anything bad. I'm only 8.
Yeah, she is. That's what I was gonna say. Okay, see ya. Bye. No room comment.